It's a bit cold, but I don't mind freezing my arse off to record this video. And that is your first lesson for today. If we use the verb mind with a verb after it, then it must be in ing. I don't mind freezing my arse off recording this video. And in this video, I'm going to teach you 20 different, unusual, advanced phrases using the word mind. So if you don't mind, let's get started.
Welcome to English with Lewis. Let's go!
Number one is to change your mind. And this is to decide to do something that you hadn't planned on doing, or to change your opinion. I was going to go to the gym today, but I've changed my mind. I can't be bothered. Number two is to keep in mind, and this is to remember something. Keep in mind that the meeting starts at 9 o'clock on the dot. Number three is to make up your mind, and this means to make a decision. Come on, you've been thinking about this for hours. Make up your mind. Number four is to be out of your mind, and this is to be crazy. It's -1 degree here in Brussels. I must be out of my mind to record this outside. Number five is bear in mind, and this is to remember or consider something when making a decision. Bear in mind that the deadline is tomorrow, so you don't have a lot of time. Number six is to speak your mind, and this is to speak openly, to say what you think. Don't be afraid to speak your mind during the meeting. Number seven is mind your own business, and this is to stop interfering in other people's affairs. Stop asking me so many questions about my private life. Mind your own business. Number eight is to be in two minds, and this is when you're unable to make a decision between two options. I'm in two minds whether to start my own business or keep working for my employer. Number nine is to have a one-track mind, and this is to only focus on one thing. He has a one-track mind when it comes to football. That's all he cares about. Number 10 is to cross your mind, and this is to think about something briefly. It never crossed my mind that she might not want to come to the party. Number 11 is mind your language, and this is to be careful about the words you use. Mind your language when you speak to the manager. Number 12 is peace of mind, and this is a state of mental calmness. Having insurance gives you peace of mind. Number 13 is have a mind of your own, and this is to think independently. She has a mind of her own and she doesn't listen to the crowd. Number 14 is mind over matter, and this is to use willpower to overcome physical challenges. Running a marathon is a real test of mind over matter. Number 15, out of sight, out of mind. And this is that when something isn't visible, it's easy not to think about or forget. We don't talk anymore and I never see her, so out of sight, out of mind, I suppose. Number 16 is mind-boggling. If something is mind-boggling, it's confusing. You don't understand it. It boggles your mind. The number of stars in the universe is mind-boggling. Number 17 is mind the gap. And this is seen in transportation and signs to be careful of the gap. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Number 18 is never mind. And this means don't worry about it. It's fine. Never mind. Can you do me a favor? Actually, no, never mind. I'll do it myself. Number 19 is mind your step, which is be careful where you walk. Mind your step. The floor is slippery. Finally, number 20 is put your mind to it. And this is that if you focus, you can do something. Anyone can learn a language if you just put your mind to it. Well done, everybody. That is the end of the video and all 20 of these mind phrases. And let me know, if you don't mind, how many of the phrases did you know? Which phrases were new? I didn't mind sitting outside for 20 minutes in the freezing cold because, you know, I like to help, if you don't mind. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.